Today, I'm going to show you how to change the text block background in Squarespace. This is a simple yet effective way to make certain sections of your website stand out and improve the overall visual hierarchy of your content. First, you'll want to navigate to squarespace.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the website you want to edit. After logging in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. Here you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to change the text block background and simply click on it to open that site's management area. Now that you're in your website's backend, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on the option labeled Website. This will expand to show you several sub-options underneath it. From these options, go ahead and click on Pages. This section gives you access to all the pages and content blocks on your website. At this point, you'll see an overview of your site's structure. Look for the Edit button, which is typically located near the top of the page or within the Pages section, and click on it. This will take you into the visual editor where you can make changes to your site's content in real time. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the text block whose background you want to change. Click directly on that text block to select it. When you do this, you should see a toolbar appear with several editing options. Among these options, you'll notice a paint bucket icon. This icon represents the style and background settings for your text block. Go ahead and click on it. A new panel will appear showing you the styling options for this text block. Here you need to enable the background feature if it's not already turned on. Look for a toggle or checkbox that says background and make sure it's enabled. Once that's active, you'll see an option labeled background color. Click on this to open up the color picker. Now comes the fun part, customizing the color of your text block's background. You can either choose from the preset color palette that matches your site's theme, or you can input a specific color code if you have one in mind. Experiment with different colors to see what works best with your text and overall design. The changes should appear in real time so you can see exactly how it looks before committing. Once you're happy with the color you've selected and everything looks just right, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the top left or top right of the editor, and click it. This will apply your changes and make them live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully changed the text block background in Squarespace, giving your content a more polished and customized appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.